Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create two columns in Canva. This is a really useful layout trick when you want your design to look more organized, balanced, and professional without manually dragging separate text boxes around the page. This is a simple, reliable way to lay out text side by side for things like brochures, newsletters, or clean magazine-style designs. And we'll do it using a table so everything stays neatly aligned. The benefit of using a table is that both columns stay connected and structured, which makes it much easier to keep your spacing even while editing. Start by looking at the left sidebar and clicking on Tools. From there, choose the Table option to insert a table onto your canvas. Canva will drop in a default table with multiple rows and columns, and that's perfectly fine. We're going to pare it down so it becomes our two clean columns. This gives you a simple layout foundation that you can use for text, bullet points, service descriptions, product details, or any content that needs to sit neatly side by side. Right-click anywhere on the table and choose Delete Row. Then do the same with Delete Column, repeating as needed until you're left with exactly two columns and one row. If you accidentally delete too much, don't worry, use Undo to bring it back, and keep going until you have those two side-by-side cells. You can also resize the table by dragging the edges, so the columns fit the area of your design properly. Next, click and drag over the entire table to select it. You want all of it highlighted, so the format changes apply consistently to both columns. This step is important because if only one cell is selected, your changes may apply to just that part of the table instead of the full two-column layout. Now, look up to the top toolbar for the border settings. Click Border Style, then choose No Borders. This removes the visible grid lines so your columns look seamless on the page. The table is still doing the work behind the scenes, keeping your content in two lanes, but you won't see any outlines distracting from your design. This is perfect when you want a clean editorial look, like a brochure section, an about page, or a professional PDF layout. To make your text look smooth and professional inside each column, set the alignment to Justify. You'll find the text alignment controls on the top toolbar. Choose Justify so the text stretches evenly from the left to the right edge of each column. This helps avoid ragged lines and gives your layout that polished, print-ready feel. Just make sure your column is not too narrow, because justified text looks best when each line has enough space to breathe. At this point, you've created a clean, two-column structure using a table. Each cell functions as its own column, so when you add text, it will naturally stay within its side and adapt to the width you established. Because we used a table, both columns remain perfectly aligned with each other, making your design easier to maintain as you edit. You can use the left column for a heading and description, and the right column for supporting details, pricing, features, or a second block of text. If something doesn't look right, double-check that the entire table was selected before removing borders, and confirm that the justification setting is active for your text so everything lines up neatly. Also, check your spacing inside the cells, because adding a little padding or adjusting the table width can make the whole layout feel cleaner and easier to read. And that's it. You now have a simple, flexible two-column layout in Canva using a table, clean, efficient, and ready for your content. Once you understand this method, you can use it again and again for flyers, guides, newsletters, resumes, proposals, menus, and any Canva design where you want text to look structured and professional. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.